Greetings everyone, a new video. Today's video is about a seemingly simple repair that isn't so simple. So if you're interested, sit back and watch. Thank you. Here we have a board representing the USB interface from one of the newer HP printers. It's a USB port that isn't working and has already undergone a repair attempt by someone who dabbles in amateur repairs, and it's not working quite right. So what would otherwise be a straightforward task is now a bit more challenging. First, I refresh the solder joints with temperature-low melting point solder. This should make it easier to remove the USB port without causing damage to the board or solder joints. After successfully removing the old USB port, I clean everything thoroughly before moving on to placing and soldering the new port. Again, I emphasize that this is a simple task when entrusted to a professional, but in my country, it seems everyone is a DIY expert. As you can see, installing the new port after good preparation isn't difficult, and in the end, everything worked fine. The new USB port is functional, and the board is back in the printer, which is now operating without issues. Thanks for watching, and although this was a quick and short video, the repair itself took over an hour, and the complete video file is quite large at 7 GB. Nevertheless, the final video is only 2 minutes long, showcasing the consequences of letting amateurs handle your device repairs. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay creative.